Small town soul, big modern comfort. This home blends both perfectly.
This home has a primary suite on the main. It has an open concept and it was built in 2019. Also on the main is a large laundry room, 2 additional bedrooms, and full bathroom. And upstairs, we have this great bonus room and a spacious closet for extra storage. Spend your weekends boating or fishing on Tellico Lake, or jump on 75 for quick access to Knoxville or Chattanooga. Here, every direction leads you to something you love. I'm Terry Jo Fox with the Knox Fox Real Estate Group.